already, my name's Kendall Geis, and this year I'm running for president of French National Honor Society. I'm here today filming in Paris, Texas, which is just one indication of how I'm willing to go the extra mile for French Honor Society, the extra 132 miles to be exact. Last year I served as secretary, and I loved every minute of it. As you may know, now it's required that you attend 3 meetings a semester to retain your membership in French National Honor Society. That being said, I want to make our meetings as fun and unique as possible. There's no reason which we should be bound to a classroom when we have so many great French cultural experiences waiting for us out in the community. This year, the Kimball Art Museum will be having a French Impressionism exhibit straight from the Musée d'Orsay in Paris. I think it would be so fun to go to as a group. I also want to make sure we continue our tradition of French Night at the Bistro, which was such a success last year. It was so great to be able to both support our peers and learn more about French food. There's even a lavender festival that takes place each May in the community. It would be so fun to go and see one of France's most popular and cultivated crops. I also want to make sure we continue our parties, which we did last year. We had a great turnout at our Christmas party, but our Mardi Gras party only ended up having 6 people. I want to make sure everybody is well informed about when the parties will be taking place so they can attend, and also add a Poisson d'Arville party or an April Fool's party into the mix. I'm so excited about what French Honor Society has to offer next year, and I think it'll be our best year yet, regardless of who you vote for. But vote for Kendall!